Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best air filter foam is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in maintaining optimal engine performance and longevity for your vehicle, acting as the first line of defense against harmful airborne contaminants like dust, dirt, and debris that can infiltrate and damage sensitive internal engine parts, ultimately impacting fuel efficiency and power output if not properly maintained or replaced with a high-quality alternative. Number 5. FilterEverything FSR 22525 Duraflow Filtration Air Filter Foam Roll. Introducing our premium foam air filter material, a bulk roll designed for easy, cut-to-fit air filters. Keep your HVAC system or air purifier running efficiently with this washable foam. This engineered foam roll efficiently filters airborne irritants like dust, pollen, and pet hair. Reduce allergens and keep your home's air fresh and healthy. Perfect for AC vents, air purifiers, and HVAC systems, this foam roll is a versatile supply for your home. It's easily trimmed to fit any unit. Proudly produced in Cleveland, Ohio, our filters are made with premium materials. We offer a wide variety of filters for all your needs. Our foam material is washable and reusable, ensuring long-lasting filtration for your systems. With a MERV 4 rating, it's perfect for any home system. What we like. This filter offers exceptional versatility for various home air filtration needs. If you're looking for a durable and cost-efficient solution that can be customized for your HVAC, air purifiers, or even window AC units, this is an excellent choice. Its washable and reusable nature makes it ideal for environmentally conscious consumers seeking long-term performance. What people say. This air filter foam is a great replacement for the original filter. The foam is dense and effectively filters out dust and debris. It fits perfectly into the air filter housing and provides excellent airflow. Number 4. Blue and White Air Filter Media Roll. Introducing our premium air filter media roll, designed for superior filtration. It's made from durable polyester material, ensuring long-lasting performance. This versatile media is incredibly easy to cut to your desired size with simple scissors. Achieve the perfect fit for your specific needs every time. With an approximate thickness of 3/4 to 1 inch, it provides excellent airflow while capturing particles effectively. This ensures your systems run efficiently. Engineered to meet or surpass original equipment standards, you can trust its reliability. It's built for performance you can depend on. Beyond air filtration, its adaptability makes it perfect for a wide range of uses. From aquariums and ponds to paint booths and HVAC systems, it handles it all. We ensure your order arrives safely and efficiently. The item may be compressed or folded for shipping, but it will regain its form upon unpacking. What we like. This media roll provides a good balance of filtration and ease of use for a variety of applications. If you need a filter material that is simple to cut and suitable for more than just HVAC systems, such as aquariums or paint booths, this polyester media is a practical option. It's a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and those with diverse filtration requirements. What people say. The foam is dense and effectively captures dust and debris. Easy to cut and shape to fit various filter housings. The material is durable and holds its form well over time. Number 3. UniFilter BF1 Green Fine Foam. Introducing the UniFilter BF1, a high-flow green foam sheet. Its fine 65 ppi density ensures excellent filtration for your needs. Measuring 12 inches by 16 inches with a 5/8 inch thickness, this foam offers ample material. It's designed for a wide range of custom applications. Unleash unlimited potential with this versatile foam. You can shape and use it for virtually any custom project you envision. This filter foam is engineered for a vehicle-specific fit. It's made to integrate seamlessly with your automotive applications. Experience superior airflow without compromising on filtration quality. It's the ideal choice for maintaining optimal performance. Crafted for durability, its fine foam structure captures particles effectively. This ensures a clean and efficient system. What we like. This fine foam offers high airflow, making it perfect for applications where unrestricted air movement is crucial. If you're working on custom projects, especially in automotive or specialized equipment where a balance of filtration and flow is needed, this green foam is an excellent fit. Its specific size and density are designed for enthusiasts who prioritize performance in unique setups. What people say. The foam is dense and effectively traps dust and debris. It's easy to cut to size and fits perfectly in my air purifier. The airflow is not restricted, maintaining good circulation. Number 2. Universal Filter Foam, 12x24x38. Introducing the Universal Filter Foam, a versatile solution for your air filtration needs. Its dimensions are 12 inches by 24 inches by 3/8 inch, making it easy to fit. This foam material is perfect for cutting and fitting to your stock air filter housing. Easily replace old paper filter elements with this new, serviceable foam option. Designed for longevity, this foam offers a durable and serviceable alternative to traditional filters. Keep your system running efficiently with this high-quality material. This black foam features a coarse 30 ppi rating, ensuring effective filtration. It's ideal for applications requiring robust air intake. The part number for this bulk filter foam is BF2. Get the reliable performance you expect from Uni. What we like. This coarse foam is designed to be a serviceable replacement for traditional paper filters in custom air filter housings. If you're looking to upgrade your existing setup with a reusable and easily maintained foam filter, this black foam is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who prefer a more robust and long-lasting filtration solution for their vehicles or equipment. What people say. The foam is dense and effectively captures dust and debris. Easy to cut and shape to fit various filter frames. The material is durable and holds up well to repeated cleaning. Number 1. Duct Replacement Air Conditioner Foam Filter. This air conditioner filter is designed to be easily cut to your desired size. It provides a simple solution for maintaining your air quality. Achieve a perfect fit for your specific air conditioning unit. Its flexible design allows for effortless customization. Crafted from durable foam material, it effectively captures dust and debris. Ensure cleaner air circulating in your home. This package contains one high-quality filter, ready to be trimmed and installed. It's a convenient option for your AC maintenance needs. Designed to maintain optimal airflow while filtering out impurities. Enjoy a more comfortable and healthier indoor environment. Installation is straightforward, making filter replacement a breeze. Keep your system running efficiently with minimal effort. What we like. This is a straightforward, cut-to-size replacement filter for specific air conditioner units. If you have a standard AC unit and need a simple, effective foam filter to improve air quality without complex features, this product is a convenient option. It's best suited for users who want a no-fuss solution for maintaining their existing AC system's performance. What people say. The foam is dense and effectively captures dust and debris. Easy to cut and shape to fit various filter housings. The material allows for good airflow while maintaining filtration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.